Why so many high performers feel underleveraged. Let's get started. Over time, experienced professionals build more than a resume. They build judgment, problem solving ability, pattern recognition, industry knowledge, decision making experience, and a clearer understanding of how things actually work. Those capabilities take years to develop, but the important question is not only whether those capabilities exist, the question is whether they are being applied where they create the greatest value. You may be the person people come to when something difficult needs to be solved. You may be the person who sees problems before others notice them. Or you may even be the person who has accumulated years of experience, judgment, and expertise. Yet a significant portion of your time may still be spent on activities that do not require those capabilities. That is where the recognition starts. Not because you are waiting for someone else to give you permission, but because you can see the gap between what you are capable of contributing and how your capabilities are currently being used. This is not always about working harder. Many high performers are already working hard. They are producing results, solving problems, and contributing. But not all contribution creates the same level of value. And not all work makes the same use of what someone brings to the table. That is why someone can be productive and still under-leveraged. Their effort is real, their capability is real, but the application of that capability may be too narrow or too disconnected from where they create the greatest impact. Under-leverage often shows up when there's a gap between what someone is capable of contributing and how those capabilities are being applied. That can happen in a job, in a business, during a transition. It can even happen when someone is technically successful. Because the question is not simply, am I doing useful work? The better question is this work making the best use of my experience, judgment, expertise, and strengths? That question changes how you see your time, evaluate opportunities, and it changes how you think about leverage. High agency professionals tend to notice this before things become urgent. They are not waiting for everything to fall apart. They are not waiting for someone else to identify their potential. They are looking at the pattern early. Where am I creating the most value? Where am I spending time on work that doesn't fully utilize my strengths? Which capabilities am I underusing? Those questions matter because leverage usually starts before a major move is made. It starts with recognizing where value already exists. There may be value you already built that is not being used strategically. That value may exist in your experience, your judgment, your problem-solving ability, your ability to see patterns, your ability to simplify complexity, or even your ability to create outcomes other people struggle to create. Once you can identify that, you can begin looking for better ways to apply it. Many high performers spend years developing valuable capabilities. The challenge is not always building more. Sometimes the challenge is recognizing what already exists and asking whether it is being applied in the right places, because not all work creates the same value, and not all activities make equal use of what you bring. Leverage begins when you identify where your experience, judgment, expertise, and strengths create the greatest impact. Then you can start identifying more opportunities to apply those capabilities intentionally. In the next video, we'll explore why many high agency professionals begin building advantages before the need becomes obvious, and why strategic preparation often starts long before urgency appears. If these kinds of strategic conversations are useful for you, subscribe to the channel. And if you would like deeper frameworks, tools, and insights on leverage, positioning, optionality, and strategic growth, you can also subscribe to the Strategic Operator newsletter. The link is in the description below. You will find additional resources there as well.